Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to upload files on your Google Drive. So first of all, in order to do that, I hope you have watched my last video and successfully created a Google Drive account, and now you want to upload files on your Google Drive. So in order to do that, first of all, go to your drive, which is basically drive.google.com, and once you are on there, I want you to click on this new button right over here. Finally, once you have done that, you can see you can upload your files, you can make a folder, you can upload a folder, you can also upload Google Docs, you can also upload Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, and there are many more, as you can see. Today we're going to be uploading a file, so go ahead and click on upload. Once you have done that, I'm gonna upload this XXXTentacion Jocelyn Flores karaoke, and as you can see, it just uploaded the file onto my drive. So there you go, that's how you upload any files you want onto your Google Drive. For more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.